Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah. Welcome back. Welcome back. Found what the problem is with my computer, or with my programming. Essentially, I just need a better computer, a bigger memory space, storage. So I'm gonna have to start looking into that pretty soon. I actually got in right here, a little trade at 501. Let me see where I'm at. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in at 501, which right now it's sitting around 499. So I'm only up about 2 pips. I got a small position in here. But the reason I took this position is because of this area right here. I was actually a little scared because it was pushing up. But I just got a small position in right here. I'm up about 2 pips. About 1 pip. That's close to being right. Something like that. Definitely won't have a 100 pip stop loss, but I think it has to be something like this. And yes, I know overall it could still be a downtrend, but the one thing that I like, obviously it crossed over here, right? We had the crossover, the 20 EMA crossed over here. Actually, now that I look at it, it does look a little, right? We have ILC respected right here. Let me see where this is at. Yeah, right around 50%. It's not a bad trade. Well, I guess it wouldn't have been around 50% here. It would have been too far up. But here, now we got something, right? So I think I probably should take that trade out, even though I'm up a few pips right now. Just because, you know what, I think we are in an uptrend. We've had lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So all these lower low, lower highs, and we had a higher high. And this is on the 15-minute chart. So once price broke above this low, or this lower high, now we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I mean, this is a lower low, but higher high, right? So I think overall we are in an uptrend, which, you know, it could come back down to this area. I'd probably be done if that did happen, if it just came down to this area, 100 pips. It's hard to say just because of exactly where I'm at right now. I am up about 10 pips. I mean, it could be one of those things, but we still have about 11 minutes till open, so we'll see what it gives us at this point. The one thing that I think we have to worry about, well, actually, let me see right now. So Forex Factory for today, we do have some FOMC meeting information that's coming out. Something that actually came out at 4:40. Treasury Secretary Yellen's going to speak right now at 6:45. see what this is on. Event added to calendar 95 minutes before release time due to testify on the Financial Stability Oversight Council's 2021 report right before the Senate Banking Committee in Washington D.C. So this is the Treasury Department. Janet Yellen believes the U.S. financial system is in working order, but that Russia's invasion of Ukraine and China's COVID-19 lockdowns are making some goods more expensive. Yellen, set to testify before the Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday, said she and other top regulators wouldn't be surprised to see market turbulence keep up into the summer. There is the potential for continued volatility and unevenness of global growth as countries continue to grapple with the pandemic, Yellen said in her written testimony. So, I mean, volatility, I think that's obvious, but not too sure. It's an orange folder. And we have economic optimism, FOMC member Waller, FOMC member Mester, and Waller are both going to be speaking later on today, so I'm assuming it's a big day in terms of that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us. Go ahead and get this ready on this side. I still do have my position in there, but I think I might just pull it out if it breaks through up here. Just because I do think, you know what, maybe we are overall for today in an uptrend. So we'll see right now. It's still at the 78.6%, which is not bad. So let's see. Alright, let's get to it. So it's at least a little valid still right now, but now that we're getting closer to the New York Open time, let me see here. Yeah, even the I don't like it because everything looks like a push up from here. Obviously the 5 minute looks good, because of what's happening right here, but I think there's still a very, very good chance for it to push up from here. So that's what I'm worried about right now. But we'll see. I got the 5-minute up. The 1 minute looks like it's probably just going to continue up. So we'll see. So I'm already in here. One of the reasons I took this is last week, I think on Friday, right? We, like Thursday or Friday, one of the two. I was, excuse me, I was waiting for New York Open, and, you know, price was already in my sell-off area, but I wanted to wait for New York Open. And it was probably like at 6:10, 6:15 when I seen it. But I'm like, you know, it might retrace back up to New York Open, and it still might do that here. We still got 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. But I just wanted to wait, and I completely missed the trade, and it just kept tumbling down and down and down. And yeah, so basically off of that point, I was like, all right, well, you know, maybe I should, and we could move it to break even, whatever it may be. If it takes us out, it takes us out. But yeah, so that's why I put the trade in right now. I am in the trade. I'm in at a 501.28, so I'm only up about 11 pips. And yeah, so let's see what it does. See something here. Found a nice little buy ILC in the golden zone right here. Let's see. I actually like that area and this little buy area, but we'll see. We'll see what price gives us. We got about a minute left till open, so we shall see. Yeah, you see how it's making that push up, so this last minute's gonna be big. Is it gonna turn bullish? No, that's gonna wipe out my whole trade, right? So let's see right now. Got about 35 seconds left till open. Yeah, that doesn't look good. We'll see. Oh. We'll do this the last, you know, 10 seconds. So it either flies up or flies down. Nah, I'm gonna pull it. I don't want to get too much of a loss right here. Yep, took that out. Damn. Shit, it was more like 25. So I took a 25 pip stop loss. Yeah, looks like it's going up. Now this is a key area, right? Because this is basically where the rejection happened. Push it up a little bit. There. Don't have anything yet. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't know if I want to continue trading it, but I might want to put a sell in here. Maybe that be my last, but then at some point, I'll fight in the trend. And I just think this level is so key because if it breaks above here, I think we're in business to go ahead and really move up. But I put a sell in. Oh, put another sell in. This, damn. I mean, my bias is still really bearish. I think that's why I feel this way. I put two sells in, but I might want to pull some of this position right now. But I'm in at 40.27 and 30.35. Oh, fuck it. Let's see. I like the way it looks so far. It could continue to push up, but oh, just like that. Yeah, this will be my last trade. I don't want to over trade or anything, so again, I'm in at a 540.27 and 530.35. So I'm only up about 5 pips on my bottom position. Oh, it's kind of moving now. It's a big area, right? If it's either going to continue to push up or break below here. I'm down $100 for the day. But let's see. This is big. I mean, I want to pull profits right now, and I probably should because we're at the bottom of this somewhat support level right here. Man, this is such a big area right here. I mean, let's see what it does. Such a, oh, okay. I mean, I think it could come down. It's just a matter if it will come down. We're up a decent amount right now. I think I'm gonna close just so I can secure some dollars. Damn, it's still coming down though. I'm getting, you know what? Let's just go ahead and secure it. I just closed my bottom position, 200 pips. I mean, 100 pips. You know, I think I should close this position just because I'm not so sure it's going to, I'm not so sure it's going to continue down. So my top or my bottom position that I still have open right here is at 530, or I'm in at 530.35. And I think truthfully, I want to get out of it just because we're still in an uptrend, right? It's at the top of this box, and you can kind of see what I mean, right? It's already rejecting this, so I probably should have got out right there. Let's see. Yeah, it hit an IOC too on the 5-minute chart. Man, I might have fucked up. It's a big rejection, right? But let's see, you know, let's go ahead and see what it is. See if we can keep the magic flowing down, right? Morning, baby. So again, I'm in at a 530 right here, and we're up about 90 pips right now, right? So let's see. Man, did exactly what I didn't want it to do. Fuck. 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 Yeah, I should have hopped out of this shit as soon as it hit my 100 pips. I mean, I'm still in it. I just don't want it to push up all the way. You know what I mean? That's my big fear right now, is it's gonna continue to push up. But if we get a retest back at this area, I think I will go ahead and get out of the trade. I could be wrong. Maybe it's coming all the way down, but I just see us creating higher highs and higher lows at this point. And it's reacting to an IOC, a buyer's IOC. So, damn. This might be a mistake holding this shit this long. But we'll see. The thing that sucks is that all of the EMAs are under it, right? So like the 20 EMAs, like right here on the 5-minute, the 50 EMAs, like close to here, right? So that's the biggest problem, is that we have that. But let me see the 1-minute real quick. The good thing is the 1-minute's the only thing that's on top right now. But I mean, let's see. Oh, there we go. Kind of pushing down right now. I'm gonna definitely secure some profits at this point. Something, right? Gotta secure something right here. Alright, just secured some. Perfect. That put us at a different level now. Okay. Alright, so I just secured some profits at another 100 pips right there. Right, so that took me to 300 for the day. We got a .02 runner, and damn, Damn, I'm thinking if I should just pull it, but I think it could come down a little bit more. So I'm gonna let this run down a little bit, and we'll see if we can get it pushed down a little bit more. But it's respecting this ILC right here for sure, which I don't like, but I mean I could close it out and I'll have my $500 day and I'd be happy. But I think we're in good positioning right here is what I'm kind of thinking, you know. Let me see. It's reacting. All right. I just secured another $100 just to take me to 400 for the day, and yeah, we'll see what happens with this next one. If it continues to go down, that'll be cool, but I just want to secure all my dollars right now, just because I know we're in an uptrend, um, in terms of breaking these higher lows, right? Breaking the higher lows, creating higher highs and higher lows on this side. So I think we still could come down, but let's see, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so I closed most of my trade around 100 pips around the same area. Um, so I'm gonna let this one go a little bit more and see if we get some. Yeah, it's getting that reaction again. Honestly, I think I might just call it a day, just because I do think like we're somewhat, we're still in an uptrend. But the only thing that's keeping me in here is like the way the 5 minute chart looks, the way the 15 minute chart looks. It's pretty strong and powerful, but we have the 5 minute 50 EMA coming up, which I think is key, right? I mean, I probably got out too early. It looks like I did, um, but I got out. 117 pips, 527 on the day. So I'll take it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, the bottom line is the bottom line. It could come down a lot more. I just, oh shit, I'm sorry. I know, I just noticed I didn't even put this up. Damn, look at that shit still going. Fuck it. I think I got it a little bit higher. Let's see. Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys were able to go ahead and catch the trade. Johnny, were you able to hop on right there? Let me know. I mean, fuck, that shit's flying down now. If you're able to keep it in there, very, very smart of you. I think it could actually, now that I look at it right here on the 5 minute, and it's kind of broken through the IOC and the EMA, I think it could get to about 350. So, smooth, smooth. Have you already jumped out of it, or are you still in there? Definitely pulled out of the trade a little bit too soon. But at the end of the day, fuck it. Let me kind of try to see where I got in right here though, where I was in at. Yeah, I was in just above right here. So yeah, this is about right. 117 pips. That obviously wouldn't have been my stop loss. My stop loss would have probably been above this wick. About, let's just call it 40 pips. So almost a 1 to 3. I mean, let's call it what it is. I probably would have had it right here. And we would have had our 1 to 3 risk reward ratio and caught the trade. So took a loss, took a win. Oh, you jumped out a while ago? Okay. Well, I mean, shit, we get to it. I thought it could come down to this 15-minute 50 EMA, but I seen the 5-minute 50 EMA along with these and kind of thought otherwise. So that's why I pulled the trade. So it is what it is. I think overall price, you could see the reaction already. You got like a 20 pip reaction to the 50 EMA, but at the end of the day, the bottom line is the bottom line, and if you're able to make some money, that's all that matters. So I think we could call it at that. I don't want to start putting in buys and doing the whole bit right now. Since we made money, we got Janet Yellen about to speak right now at the FOMC meeting, who's the treasurer or from the United States Treasury. So I think shit could get volatile right now, where it could start flying up, flying down, because we're in this vulnerable state right here where we are creating higher highs and higher lows, and we did break a bunch of these lower highs on this side, right, and lower lows. So I think that we could really see a push up, but I also think it's a possibility we didn't break on the bigger time frames, and let's just see that. Let's see here. I mean, even when you go to the bigger time frames, man, look at this trade right here. Another situation with the 1 hour EMA. Missed out on probably another 100 pips coming our way right here, but it's all good. And yeah, maybe we didn't break the higher high, right? Maybe we have to break above here or here when it comes to this, but you never know, and we're scalpers, so let's just take it for what it is and get in and get out. So I think overall we caught that one pretty smoothly. I ain't gonna lie. Caught it pretty damn smoothly. And I mean, I didn't even really need to take this loss. I could have kept it in here, but I took it. It is what it is. And damn, look at that shit. Damn. 117. It's out about 180. Damn. Yeah, that kind of gets me mad. But fuck it. Before I keep trading and trying to make all the money back that I should have, could have, would have made, let's go ahead and hop out. So thank you guys for tuning in. Johnny, thank you for tuning in. And appreciate you as well, my brother. You're going to have to tell me how to say your name. Sunzukani, I appreciate you for tuning in. And I'll be here again tomorrow, 6:15 a.m. and we'll go ahead and get it from there. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure to come in tomorrow, and let's get this money, man. Thank you.